Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to resize a group of elements in Figma, only to have their layout distort or everything look off, this tutorial is 100% for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to scale groups in Figma the right way, so all your designs stay perfectly proportional, just like you intended. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Figma file and select the elements you want to resize together. This could be anything, a collection of buttons, some shapes, or maybe an icon with a label. Click and drag to highlight them all, or hold down Shift and select each one individually. This simple step sets the stage for grouping, making sure everything you want to scale moves and resizes as a single unit later on. Once you've got your elements selected, it's time to create a group. Just right-click on one of the highlighted items and choose Group Selection from the context menu. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut command +G on Mac or Control+G on Windows if you want to get into the flow and save a bit of time. Grouping is crucial because it tells Figma you want all those pieces, no matter how different or detailed, to behave as a team rather than random loose parts. But here, where a lot of folks hit a snag. If you try to resize this new group using the regular Move tool and drag the corner, you'll probably notice things begin to look weird. Maybe your circle turns into an oval, or text gets stretched in a way that just isn't flattering. This happens because the default Move tool is simply changing the frame's boundaries, not scaling everything inside it uniformly. It's a bit like squishing a photo in a Word document. Sure, it changes size, but it messes up the proportions. That's not what you want. To keep everything in perfect proportion while scaling, so circles stay circular and squares don't turn into pancakes, switch over to the Scale tool. You can activate it by simply pressing the letter K on your keyboard. Or if you prefer clicking, look at the tools on the left side of your screen. There's the Move tool at the top, and right below it, you'll see the Scale tool icon. Click that and you're ready for the magic. With the Scale tool active, now click and drag any corner of your grouped selection. You'll notice immediately that every element inside the group enlarges or shrinks together, maintaining all the spacing and proportional relationships. This is really helpful if you're designing something like a button-down menu or a badge that needs to fit a different space but stay visually balanced. Don't worry if the scaling feels a little slow at first. Figma's just doing its thing in the background, making sure every pixel adjusts correctly. That's really all there is to it. Anytime you want to scale a group in Figma, remember, select Group, then use the Scale tool by pressing K. That's the best way to keep your designs looking sharp and consistent, no matter what size you need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or run into issues, just leave a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more design tips and Figma tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.